The Secretary had an opportunity to speak yesterday to Prime Minister Khatami and to Iraqi Kurdistan Prime Minister Mansour Barzani. He shared his outrage and condemnation at the Iranian missile attack near Erbil. These were attacks that were attacks against the sovereign state of Iraq. These were clear violations of Iraq's sovereignty. The Secretary expressed his solidarity with the Iraqi people and agreed with Prime Minister Khatami that the attack demonstrated the need for Iraqi unity and the urgency in that regard of forming a government accountable to the Iraqi people that protects Iraq's territorial integrity. He also conveyed our commitment to working with the Iraqi government and others in the region to hold Iran accountable, working with the Iraqi government to do so. This incident is being investigated by Iraqi security forces. We would refer you to them for further comment. The broader point is that Iran poses a threat to our partners in the region and by extension us in a number of different ways. And we've spoken of